Next, create, enter, click to start and type create restore point, restore point, and click on it. So first click on configure and then click on turn on and then apply and then OK. Then click again OK and again enter create restore point, again open it, then click on restore point, click on system restore point. Now it is created, so it is not configure, so click on configure first and apply, then click on create and enter the date, and you can and then click on create. Now it is creating. It will take some time, depend about your system configurations, if your works fast. And one more guys, this is when you creating a restore point, so close your applications. So you can see the restore point was created successfully, and then close it and OK.